If you think small bikes can't deliver big thrills, the 2026 Yamaha SL175 is about to change your mind. This machine proves that lightweight, simple, and fun still matter more than raw horsepower. I've been around bikes for over 15 years, and I can tell you this, some motorcycles just feel right the moment you sit on them. The 2026 Yamaha SL175 brings back that old-school charm, but mixes it with modern engineering. It's built for riders who want control, comfort, and real-world usability without unnecessary complexity. Design and style. The first thing you notice is its clean, retro-inspired look. Yamaha kept the classic scrambler DNA alive, high-mounted exhaust, simple body lines, and a tough stance. But they didn't stop there. The LED lighting, updated frame, and refined finish give it a fresh 2026 feel. It's the kind of bike that turns heads without trying too hard. Performance. Now let's talk performance. The SL175 runs a small displacement engine, but don't underestimate it. It's tuned for smooth delivery and reliable power. In city traffic, it feels quick and responsive. On light trails, it handles surprisingly well. This isn't a racing bike, it's a freedom machine designed for everyday riders. Ride and comfort. One thing I always look for is comfort, and this bike delivers. The upright seating position, soft suspension, and lightweight frame make it easy to handle, even for beginners. Long rides don't feel like a chore. It's the kind of bike you can ride daily without getting tired. Features and technology. Yamaha added just the right amount of tech. You get a simple digital display, fuel efficiency improvements, and better braking control. Nothing complicated, nothing distracting, just useful features that improve your ride. Conclusion. After years of riding all kinds of motorcycles, I can say this, the 2026 Yamaha SL175 isn't trying to be the fastest or the flashiest. It's built to be reliable, fun, and easy to ride. And honestly, that's what most riders actually need. This video is based on available information, rider experience, and early insights. Specifications and features may vary depending on region and final release. Always check with official Yamaha sources before making a purchase decision.